We hope you enjoyed today's movie and invite you to join us next week for Banjo Hackett, starring Don Meredith, Channel 4's Sunday Movie at Noon.
You're watching Showtime. Next, an engrossing, rich drama about the Black Minstrel Show and the birth of ragtime. Glenn Turman gives a solid performance as a black song and dance man. Minstrel Man is outstanding. Next.
Today on The Hollywood Jewel, from humble beginnings to a shot at Congress, Joseph Cotton and Loretta Young in her Oscar-winning performance, The Farmer's Daughter, the Superstation Morning Movie.